Hello, I'm Dr. Bradley Tompkins, Clinical Director at Dr. Brad's Laser and Cosmetic Clinic in Bristol, where we deliver Harley Street standards at Bristol prices. I'm a highly qualified and experienced GP. I deliver a wide range of premium laser and non-surgical aesthetic treatments to improve your confidence and well-being. I'm registered, I'm regulated and fully insured, and I deliver safe and effective treatments in my modern, independent high street clinic. To find out more about me, please visit my website www.drbrad.co.uk. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about platelet-rich plasma. So platelet-rich plasma, or PRP for short, is one of the hottest treatments in medical aesthetics and is the all-natural way to revitalise your skin without using medicines or other laboratory manufactured products. PRP skin treatments represent a central aspect of 21st century biological autologous regenerative medicine to improve the appearance of skin and combat the signs of aging. PRP has long been used in hospitals for a wide range of medical applications, such as ulcer healing, wound healing, and has a broad evidence base in peer-reviewed scientific journals, which testify to its effectiveness. PRP is very useful in aesthetic treatments too, so let's discuss how we can use it to the best effect. As the years go by, our skin and its supporting tissues slowly and inevitably degenerate, resulting in sagging, wrinkles and laxity that makes us look old and tired. PRP works by collecting and concentrating some of your own platelet cells and relocating them to where they're needed most, i.e. your aging skin. You see, platelets have perhaps been the unsung heroes of our blood for so long, with the public understanding that red cells carry oxygen, white cells fight disease. But people forget that when you get an injury or a cut or such, it's the platelet cells that become activated and play the key role in healing and tissue regeneration. Platelets rush into where they're required and release a range of crucial natural chemical signals and growth factors to encourage tissue restoration and healing. PRP treatments are gaining in popularity because they are fortunately both so safe and so effective. These treatments, under names such as the vampire facial and others, have been widely publicised in beauty magazines, newspapers, and by high-profile celebrities such as Kim Kardashian and the Real Housewives of Chelsea and similar television series. So this is really mainstream stuff. PRP is highly biologically active and is endorsed and used by leading aesthetic medicine doctors and surgeons in the UK, Europe, the USA and beyond. So how does it all work? Well, firstly I'll apply a numbing cream to the treatment area so that it starts to work. Then I apply a tourniquet and draw a small sample of blood from your arm, typically 11 to 22 mils, using a tiny needle for your comfort. Your blood is collected in the state-of-the-art equipment and is completely sterile. We use the Selenis closed blood tube gel separation system, so your blood is never exposed to the air or the outside environment to ensure complete sterility. The system is capable of concentrating your platelets up to 10 times more than the circulating concentration, and a typical treatment session to the face involves the injection of between 1.6 and 3.2 billion of your own microscopic live platelet cells. As soon as the blood sample is collected, I rapidly spin it for 10 minutes in my state-of-the-art Selenis centrifuge at a whopping 3,500 revolutions per minute. That's a very impressive 1,500 relative centrifugal force, you know. Now don't accept anything less than the genuine original Selenis PRP system. After the 10-minute cell separation process has been completed in the centrifuge, we're left with a straw-coloured fluid, which is also known as a supernatant, which contains just your plasma, platelets and stem cells. The supernatant is further concentrated as necessary and goes through a further process of filtration to remove impurities and is then ready to be applied. The PRP solution is straw-coloured and has a watery consistency. It can be injected into the skin using my state-of-the-art Pistol Alliance mesogun. Alternatively, it can be administered manually using an old-fashioned needle and a syringe. Finally, it could be applied directly to the surface of the skin after, say, a dermal roller or a laser resurfacing session. Popular areas for treatment include face, neck, upper chest, backs of hands, and the stretch marks on abdomen, buttock, and thigh. Once the platelets get in the skin, they automatically become activated, and when they come into contact with molecules on the surface of other cells around them, this causes them to start releasing their own growth factors and other chemical mediators from within the platelets. Remember that cells and collagen regenerate slowly on a microscopic level, so it is after approximately 4 to 6 weeks that the patients start to see benefits in their skin. Now, one treatment alone is a good start, but for optimum benefits, an initial course of 3 treatments is recommended. These are delivered 4 to 6 weeks apart. Top-up treatments every couple of times a year are the norm for people who've seen the benefits for themselves, although even a single annual top-up can be worthwhile. It says a lot about the effectiveness and the tolerability of the treatments that patients return to me time and time again to have repeat PRP treatments. Now, on the subject of price, I do believe that my PRP system and proprietary high-intensity protocols are likely to be superior to those you might unwittingly be subjected to by those clinics and practitioners using inferior technology and or who are offering this kind of treatment on the cheap. A high level of hygiene is required when undertaking PRP treatment to avoid infection or contamination of the product. I believe that you should only trust the medical doctor to deliver this kind of advanced biological treatment. In summary, you now understand what PRP is and how it is used to stimulate regenerative effects in your skin for a more healthy and perhaps younger appearance. So to learn more about this treatment, please click the link to the relevant webpage in the video description below. However, if you're ready to book in with me for your initial consultation, then please do call my secretary now on 07588 971 425, and I look forward to welcoming you to my laser and cosmetic clinic very soon.